Hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So as we know, in the previous video we have unboxed the iBall Compbook Aer3 and we have done the review of the same. We will be using some tools like Nova Benchmark and CPU Z to check the configuration and performance and the temperature of the device while it is put into load. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button below so you can watch more videos like this in future. So let's begin with the video now. To test the performance of iBall Compbook Aer3, we are using two tools, Nova Bench and CPU Z. Nova Bench is a free tool that taxes CPU and it tells the performance of the processor and the temperature as well as the hard disk, the speed of the hard disk, read and write speeds of the hard disk. So we are starting the test here. Let's now have a look into the configuration of iBall Compbook Aer3. So it runs an Intel Pentium N4200 CPU. It's an Apollo Lake CPU with a TDP of 6.0 volt and it's a 40 nanometer CPU. And it runs in maximum of 2.4 GHz and minimum of 1.1 GHz. When turboed, it reaches 2.4 GHz. It's having a 1 MB L2 cache available in the board, and it is 4-core CPU and 4 threads. You can see the temperature at which CPU is running presently at the status bar. I will be focusing that in time in between. Presently, the Nova Benchmark is testing the CPU performance, that is known as running general purpose test on CPU. So here you can see the temperature is at 55 degrees at the top. At present the graphics test is going on. So Nova Bench will be taxing the GPU of the iBall Compbook Aer3. You can see the frame rate as 5 FPS. It is very low. So this confirms that this laptop is not for gaming. It's only for work purpose. And you can do basic work and some sort of video watching, and you can play some basic games like Mario, etc. That's it. Now the results are here. You can see the CPU score is okay, 339, and RAM score is 117, and GPU score is less. But actually this kept varying for me on different tests. So you can see that I am switching the test results from the previous value. Hope this video has helped you to find the performance of iBall Compbook Aer3. I have provided the links in the description below so you can buy it from Amazon. Thanks for watching and bye bye.